In this video, we will be going over how to play Fortnite. We will cover topics such as the object of the game, getting started, and general gameplay. Fortnite is an online battle royale game that blends together the elements of survival, scavenging, and exploration, crowning the last player standing as the winner. To begin playing, start by selecting your game mode of choice, solos, duos, or squads. Before the match begins, you will be loaded into a pre-game lobby for less than 1 minute to practice. Once the official match begins, all players will spawn in the Fortnite Battle Bus, which flies across the entirety of the map for players to jump out on command and select their location of choice to land at. Once you have glided down to your location of choice, you are tasked with looting various items, including weapons, healing, and materials, all used to further your placement in-game. You will notice that every item has varying rarities, which can be determined by the color of the item from common to epic. As the match progresses, players attempt to eliminate each other, and a storm that causes damage will close in randomly across the map, forcing distanced players to move in closer to one another. You can use your collection of materials to build walls, ramps, floors, and cones to serve as a means of protection from enemy shots. Remember to continuously remain distant from the storm to avoid damage, because it progressively becomes more detrimental to your health with passing time. In the event you do take damage, you can use healing items such as bandages, medkits, and shield potions to regenerate your health. Your mission is to survive the entirety of the match and remain the last player standing in order to receive a victory royale.